Manipur's TG English School clinched the junior boys title of the 63rd Subroto Cup International Football Tournament, defeating Meghalaya's Minken Christian Higher Secondary School 4-3 via sudden death tiebreaker in the finals on Wednesday. Both teams were tied 1-1 in regulation time. Namdingong put the winning side ahead of the 32nd minute of the first half, only for Banlibok Khongjo to equalize from the spot in the 64th minute, just 6 minutes from the final whistle. Meghalaya keeper Wampli Malang dragged their first sudden death spot kick wide of goal, giving Manipur the coveted title after 43 years. The winning side has also played almost 20 minutes of the second half with 10 men. Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, chairman of the Subroto Mukherjee Sports Education Society, presented the trophy to the winners along with 2022 Asian Games double silver medalist Hamilan Bains, who was the guest of honor for the final. The winners received ₹5 lakh, while the runners-up received ₹3 lakhs. The losing semi-finalists received ₹75,000 each, while the losing quarter-finalists received ₹40,000 each.